Hi and welcome back to another episode of Making Mishnah Better Every Day. Since I will be removing the engine soon, I thought I was going to service the engine today and disconnect all the hoses, etc. However, things don't always go as planned. Yesterday I was inspecting the area under the floorboards. I do this regularly to see if there's no water seeping in. Now, this time I also checked the space under the nav station. I normally don't do this because there are no points there where water can enter the ship. And whilst inspecting, I noticed that it seems that the joint between the hull and the wood of the nav station seemed to be cracked. Jiggling around with a screwdriver allowed me to easily remove the glass reinforced polyester, which should be there to keep a good structural connection. I think that since this is the place where the boat rests on the cradle, there has been too much force on this particular spot. So instead of working on the engine, I am repairing the loose joint. Now, lucky for me, the epoxy has to cure between the layers, so at least I should get some work on the engine done. And to make a tight schedule even tighter, I completely overslept this morning, so without further ado, let's get started.
I am Marco, and this is Cynthia. We are the proud owners of Mishnah, a 32-foot yacht in which we hope to once sail the world seas. Follow us as we refit Mishnah and prepare to one day untie the lines forever. This is Sailing Mishnah.
Well, that's it for now. I haven't done nearly as much as I would have liked. I only got on the first 3 layers of glass fiber, while I would like to have this task finished by adding another 3 layers. Well, then I had to be getting out of bed sooner. At least I was able to change the engine oil and drain the cooling water, and the benefit of doing this now and the rest later is that I can work on a cold engine next week. Hopefully I can finish the epoxy work this week because the temperature is dropping by the end of the week. When I get the engine ready for removal, it is still a question, but the 3rd weekend of October is more or less a deadline because Mishna is going back on the hard by the end of October. For now, I think I call it a day. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon in another episode of Sailing Mishna.